In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add expenses on Xero. Whether you're a seasoned accounting professional or just starting with managing financial tasks, adding expenses correctly is crucial to maintain accurate financial records. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. First, you'll want to head over to the Xero accounting software and log in. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Xero login page. Enter your email and password associated with your Xero account and click the login button. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. A password manager can help with storing these securely if needed. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in the Xero dashboard. This is your central hub for managing various aspects of your financial data. From here, look towards the upper navigation menu and find the Business tab. Clicking on this will reveal further options related to your business's financial activities. Scroll down until you see Expense Claims. Click on Expense Claims. It's important to note that if it's your first time using Xero's Expenses module, you might be prompted to set up this section. Follow the instructions provided to align the settings to your business needs. This setup is typically a one-time process and makes future expense management much more seamless. After setting up, you're ready to add expenses. Find and click on the New Expenses button. When you do, you will have the option to choose Expenses Claim. Selecting this will bring up a form where you can detail your expenses. You'll be inputting important information here such as the date, amount, category, and any notes that clarify the purpose of the expense. For a streamlined and verifiable process, you also have the option to upload an image of the receipt. This adds another layer of transparency and keeps your records thorough and organized. Use the upload feature to add any necessary documents that support your expense claim. Once you've filled in all the required fields correctly and attested that the attached documents support the expenditure, you can move to the final steps. If you're authorized to approve these entries, click on Approve to finalize the entry in the system. But if you're responsible for preparing the expenses for someone else to approve, simply click Submit to forward it to the appropriate approver. There you have it, a concise guide to adding expenses in Xero. Following these steps ensures that your accounting records remain up to date and accurate, further solidifying the financial integrity of your business. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.